We have a 6 1/4 inch zipper, and we're using a nylon zipper, and we cut 2 pieces of lining that we are considering zipper tabs that stop the zipper, and we're going to sew each one of those zipper tabs to the end of the zippers 1/4 inch. Here, we're taking our pocket lining and we're going to sew it to the zipper 1/4 inch. Back tack at the beginning of the end of each seam. Try to get into a habit of doing that. Here we're raised stitching the lining to the zipper 1/16 to 1/8 inch. Next, we fold up the bottom part of the lining and we're going to attach it to the top part of the zipper, sewing it 1/4 inch, back tacking at the beginning and the end of the seam. After sewing that seam, we're going to trim our zipper tab pieces even with our seams on the side and also the top of the lining. And then after that, we're going to turn our lining inside out and we're going to raise stitch the top portion of the seam where that the top zipper, the top portion of the zipper, we're going to raise stitch. Okay, so next we're going to fold our top lining so there's roughly 3 inches, and we're going to notch each corner. Then we're going to turn our pocket inside out and we're going to fold it at the notches, and then we're going to seam that with a 3/8 inch seam allowance. So sew from the top of the notch to the bottom of the pocket on each side with a 3/8 inch seam allowance. Make sure we're back tacking at the beginning and the end of the seam. Then we're going to turn our pocket inside out, force out the corners. Make sure your corners are forced out real nice. And then after that, we're going to put a stitch, a top stitch, approximately 1/4 of an inch from the raised stitching at the top portion of the pocket to close that off and finish up our pocket.